My name is Tonya Powers. I'm the Economic Development Director for the Franklin County Industrial Building Authority located in Carnesville, Georgia, the county seat of Franklin County. And today we're actually out of Franklin County, which is nice. Today we get to hear from, and I'm excited to hear from Leslie McFarlin. She's the Vice President for Economic Development at North Georgia Technical College. We have such a major asset, a tool that we cannot work without, and that's our partnership with Economic Development here at North Georgia Technical College.
North Georgia Tech is part of the technical college system of Georgia, which gives us huge power.
Right.
We are one of 22 technical colleges. North Georgia Technical College has 3 campuses. One campus is 11 minutes. We were just talking about it, away from the county seat of Franklin County, and that is our Currahee campus. And so that puts us in a position to be a really strong partner with Franklin County in their workforce training need. All of our training is customizable to meet the customer's need, to meet your customers, your business and industry need in Franklin County. That's what we do. We listen. We devise and create plans, training plans to help them. If they don't have the equipment, they don't have the space or the facilities to train those people at their location, we bring them to our location. We bring them to the Currahee campus, which is, right down the road. Right down the road from Carnesville.
The industry visits that we've had, that we're calling on you guys and saying, hey, we need you at the table. When people come to us, when potential customers, or we get site visits, or even have like RFIs, requests for information for different companies, the very top 2 things they're saying is, what utilities do you have? Are they ready to go? And skilled workforce. What is that like? What are some things that we could do to work with our local community to help build an even stronger workforce?
We are in a new industrial revolution. We have companies who have clean facilities. Automation is exploding and taking off, and that takes those higher skill levels. It goes back to that Northeast Georgia, friendly.
It's the people.
It's the people. It's where we're located, halfway between Atlanta and Greenville, South Carolina, that I-85 corridor. It is just so important for us to attract the right kind of companies for our community, and show people in our community, the pathway, the pipeline to be able to get there. It goes back to changing your life. Achieving those goals for yourself and your family.
One email or one phone number, whatever that looks like. So I do want to make sure, for any of our companies or anybody that's looking for a career opportunity, looking for a job, looking for training.
North Georgia Tech is here for the workforce needs of our Northeast Georgia area, our workforce needs in Franklin County. And we are responsive and ready to serve.
We want to grow this community, and we can do that with what we have resources and access to right here. So this was good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And I'm excited to see growth, continued growth.
Great. Thank you so much.